Very good morning. Very good morning, all. Very good morning and welcome to the workshop, all my dear munchkins.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning,
Welcome
ma'am.
to the workshop.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning,
And
ma'am.
kindly mute your mics.
Good morning, ma'am.
Mute your mics, please. Great. Excellent. You all are so smart, I must say. You all are wonderful. Clap hands for yourself one time before I begin the session. Yes, because you all are having very good habits, I know, right? Oh, what is good habit? What is good habit? You have heard from Mama na almost all the time with from by your teacher also. You should always follow good habits. You should have good manners, right? What is a good habit? Good manners. You have heard from Ma'am na? Okay, I will allow one child to speak. Trisha, you were raising your hand. Yes, Trisha, you can unmute and speak. Only Trisha, please. Only Trisha. Trisha, one more time, please. Yes. Only Trisha unmutes. Yes.
Ma'am, good habits mean अच्छी आदतें.
अच्छी आदत, yes. Okay, very good. अच्छी आदत बोली है त्रिशा ने. त्रिशा अग्रवाल from second A. Thank you, Trisha. And now, जिससे कि आप लोग सब मुझे अच्छे से सुन पाए और कोई डिस्टर्बेंस ना हो, मैं सबको म्यूट कर रही हूँ, ठीक है? All right? All right. Kindly cooperate, and you will be answering me how? With a thumbs up and a thumbs down. With a thumbs up and a thumbs down. Don't bring thumbs up, okay? All right. So, you have heard from mama, from elders, from your teachers about good habit. Good habit, अभी आप लोग शांत से बैठे हो, ठीक है ना? आप लोग अभी good children होके बैठे हुए हैं, यूनिफॉर्म में बैठे हैं. These are good habit. आप लोग सब नहा के बैठे हैं, right? लो, मैम भी शुरू हो गई ना? Right. So these are good habits which we always keep on telling you. Habit means what? Habit means a nature we keep on developing every day by practicing every day, and that creates our nature, becomes our character. We become that only if we get up every morning. अच्छा, कितने लोग सुबह उठ के ब्रश करते हैं? कितने लोग सुबह उठ के ब्रश करते हैं? सब लोग करते हैं? नहीं ना, सब लोग ब्रश नहीं करते. कौन ब्रश करता है? करते हैं? Okay, this is a good habit. Okay, all of you are raising hand. Very good. Okay, so these are one of the good habits. अच्छा, सुबह उठ के कौन-कौन पानी नहीं पीता है? पानी नहीं पीता. Hands down, thumbs up down. सब पानी पीते हैं? सब पानी पीते हैं? So this is also one of the good habits, right? Correct? कौन सुबह नहा के क्लास करता है? अब बताओ. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yes. Okay, Archit is doing like this. Very good. Good. Very good. So these are good habits which we develop every day. रोज करते रहेंगे तो by default आदत बन जाती है हमारी. उसी को हम habit कहते हैं. Habit हमारी nature, ठीक है? तो इसीलिए रोज पेरेंट एक ही चीज हमसे दोबारा बार पेरेंट्स, एल्डर्स, टीचर्स कहते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि ये हमारी नेचर बन जाए कि हम सुबह उठ के जरूर आंखें खोलते ही, बाथरूम में जाते ही ब्रश करें और अपना मॉर्निंग रूटीन क्लियर करें. राइट? सो दिस इज आवर हैबिट. So like these habits we are going to discuss in this workshop today. Okay? Are you all ready? To right? Okay, so right now I'm going to discuss few good habits with you. Silence, please. I will also share the screen with you all. Okay, but before that, I will count some few good habits. Now, in your hand, you have to count how many good habits I will tell. Okay, are you all ready? Are you all ready? Ready. Good. So I welcome every one of you now because almost everyone is present today now in this workshop. I welcome respected coordinator ma'am, headmistress, mentors, and my dear students. So this workshop is meant for good habit for grade 2 today. Let's start with the summing up of what are the basic and important good habits for you all. Okay, here we begin the session. Start counting, my dear students. Eat healthy food. Eat healthy food. Home cooked food or healthy food, fresh food. Then table manners. What are table manners? आपके पेरेंट्स आपसे कहते हैं ना कि टेबल लगा दो, जल्दी से डिनर लगने वाला है, लंच होने वाला है, राइट? ब्रेकफास्ट होने वाला है, राइट? तो टेबल मैनर्स दैट इज आप टेबल लगाते हो और फिर ऐसे ऐसे खाते हैं ना, दोनों हाथ से ऐसे ऐसे खाते हैं नहीं? How do you eat? You eat by washing your hands clean and then you put your spoon, fork, whatever food you have been given, you eat it by spoon. और अगर hand से खा रहे हैं, हाथों से खा रहे हैं तो your hands must be clean. Thereafter, you will brush twice, at least twice. Right? You must brush twice, one in the morning and second at night before sleeping. This is the third. I hope you are counting. Yes, I can see the fingers. Good. Thereafter, you should study on time. Right now, how are you all studying? Online? You're having virtual classes, right? So you have your timetable. Timetable है ना? और इस timetable में आप लोग क्या करते हैं? हर क्लास से ठीक 2 मिनट 5 मिनट पहले आप अपने बुक्स एंड कॉपीज लेके रेडी रहते हैं and you are on time, right? So we study on time. फिर जैसे ही अपना काम क्लास का ओवर हो गया, then we do little bit of homework and then we keep it close. Then after that we play, we have our lunch, we take a short nap, then again we go for outdoor activities and then we come back, have milk, get freshed up and revise a little bit. This is the way we do every day. These are habits. So studying on time, playing on time. Not using device like mobile phone, tablet, laptops for too long. You are already having your virtual classes on these devices. And these devices are mechanical. These are technical things. So they have some digital rays coming out, which can affect our eyes and health. Then constantly seeing the phone like this, what happens? Our neck gets bent like this. And then we start having pain in our neck. Our posture gets deteriorated. Our posture means हम ऐसे बैठने लगते हैं. See, is this correct? Is this correct? No. We should stand straight. We should sit straight. So our posture is wrong. It gets bad, which creates bad health impact. That is why using less of device is advisable with all. Sabke saath, okay? And with you young kids, you should do more of physical activities. Okay? Then waking up early in the morning. These days you're having online classes from home. You're not getting that habit of coming to school. For that, you get up early in the morning, do your morning routines, and thereafter get your breakfast done and get ready and move on for school. Right? Morning school. So that's not happening right now, but still we are following a timetable which is making you sit in routine. So you must do all the routines in the same day. Morning 9 o'clock, you have your morning assembly. Before that, till 8 o'clock latest, till 8 o'clock, you must get up and get freshed. Right? Then, greet all elders and youngers. Elders as well as youngers. Of course, greeting elders, like in your home, your grandparents are there, your uncle aunts are there, your mummy papa is there, right? Your elder brothers and sisters are there, their uncle aunts children are there, your sibling cousins are there. So you greet each other, good morning, you do that. And कहीं कहीं पे बड़े grandparents को आप लोग प्रणाम भी करते हैं, right? So we should maintain this habit. And why to youngers? अपने से छोटे उनको भी greet करना होता है. क्यों? Because this is also good practice. Again, your habit will make them develop their habit. So the youngers will follow you. जो आप करेंगे वो करेंगे. So if you greet, they will also greet back to you, and there will be a smile. And do you all like smile? Nikunj, please open your camera, beta. Nikunj Sharma, please keep your cameras on. Everybody will keep their cameras on. Nikunj, very good, Nikunj. Thank you. Okay, so this is one of the good habits that you should teach your youngers also. Good practices. Then avoid junk food. Avoid junk food like burger, pizza, Maggie, and all roadside food. Not too much. Once in a month is good. Why? Because we need some change. Not too much of spicy or oily foods every day, because that creates a bad digestion to us, and that makes us in bad mood. Uff, पेट में दर्द हो रहा है. बोलते हैं ना? We will show you what happens if you eat junk food. We will show you in our enactment today. What happens? You wait and watch what happens. Okay? Keep waiting. Don't leave. Then we should sleep on time. If we eat on time, we do our exercise and morning routine on time, then we also get tired and we need some rest. So we can take a power nap in the daytime, a short power nap of half an hour or 1 hour maximum, and thereafter we can take a nap, proper sleep in right time, so that we get up early in the morning. By 9 to 10 maximum, all children must sleep. 9 to 10 p.m. and morning by 6 to 7 a.m. everyone should get up. That is a healthy habit. So you must have a proper 7-hour sleep. Okay? Then play outdoor. Now these days you all are sitting at home because of the pandemic, because of the coronavirus. We all are gaining our immunity, right? We all are gaining our immunity. We are becoming strong, having fresh fruit. We are cleaning our vegetables and fruit and eating, washing hands daily and regularly, taking proper bath, keeping our outdoor clothes outside, right? So these are habits we have created, and this is why, because of this coronavirus, which is deadly. So one good thing about this coronavirus is that in this whole year, this 1 year, it has created some good habits within us. Cleaning vegetables, fruits, our utensils, our hand always. Whenever we play outside, we come, we change our dress, we get ourselves washed or dry washed, okay? And then we eat and touch anything at home. This is a very good habit. So thank you to coronavirus that they have made us strong. We are not weak anymore. अब हम नहीं डरते हैं कोरोना वायरस से, है कि नहीं? अब हम तो बाहर लड़ने के लिए तैयार हैं. You all are waiting to come back to school, I know. So we are immune now. Immune means strong enough to fight back. Immune means strong enough to fight back. So these are things we should always remember. Cleaning up mess. अपने कमरे में जो भी आपका रूम है, उसको हमेशा tidy और clean रखिए, so that आपको अपनी चीजें सही टाइम पे मिले. वरना क्या होगा? फिर चलोगे, मम्मा मेरी ड्राइंग की बुक कहाँ है? मम्मा मैंने तो क्रेयॉन यहीं पे रखा था, अभी मेरा आर्ट क्लास है, कहाँ रखा है? किसने ड्राइंग की पेंसिल्स को यूज किया था? आपने या मम्मा ने किचन में यूज किया था अपने तड़के में डालने के लिए? आपने यूज किया था ना? तड़के में मम्मी तो नहीं डाला था कि लाल मिर्च नहीं मिली तो लाओ अपना लाल क्रेयॉन दे दो, मैं उसमें डाल दूं. हाँ, नहीं ना? तो आपकी चीज है वो, तो आपको संभाल के रखना है. आपने जहां से निकाला, आप यूज करके वापस वहीं पे रखिए. So these are good habit, good practice. ओके, मम्मा से मत पूछना, मम्मा आपसे नहीं पूछ, अरे मेरा धनिया का पाउडर कहाँ रख दिया? तुम शैतानों में से किसी ने लिया होगा, बोलती है नहीं ना? So likewise, तो ऐसे ही हम लोग अपने प्रैक्टिस. मम्मा को देखो अपने सारे काम खुद करती हैं. मम्मा हो गए, पापा हो गए, दादू दादी हो गए, सब लोग, ठीक है ना? Because they have developed a habit. Same goes with you. आप लोग भी अब नए नए हैबिट्स डेवलप कर रहे हो. सो लिसन, अगर रोज कोई आपसे कुछ कहता है तो चिढ़िएगा मत, नाराज मत हो रहिएगा, वो आपकी हैबिट बना रहे हैं, गुड हैबिट्स, कि कल आप जब अकेले अपनी प्रैक्टिस खुद करोगे तो आपको घबराने की डरने की बात ही नहीं होगी, अरे मम्मी सब कर देती, मुझे तो कुछ आता ही नहीं करना, ऐसा होगा ही नहीं। ओके, सो क्लीनिंग अप मेस, अपनी चीजों को क्लीन करके साफ करके रखिए, अपने टेबल को ऑर्गेनाइज रखिए, अपने वार्डरोब को ऑर्गेनाइज रखिए। बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल विथ मनी। Yes, Akshita, you want to ask something? You're raising your hand for a long period of time. Quickly ask, Rita, because I'm not taking any questions right now. We have to show an enactment. Yes, speak.
Ma'am, I was saying I am always going to play with my friends.
Very good. Yes, it's a good habit right now. Okay, mute yourself, darling. Thank you. It's very good habit to play with your siblings, with your friends, with your cousin of same age group. छोटे हो या बड़े हो, सबके साथ खेलिए, क्योंकि छोटे आपसे सीखेंगे और आप अगर किसी बड़े से के साथ खेल रहे तो आप उनसे सीखेंगे. So please put your hands down, my dear children. Please put your hands down because I cannot take any question because we are about to show you enactment. एक enactment देखना है कि नहीं? एक skit देखना है आप सबको? Advait is also raising a hand from a long time. Quickly, beta, quickly speak.
Ma'am, I am not scared of coronavirus.
Good, very good, excellent. That's a good habit. You should not be scared of coronavirus because coronavirus कहीं नहीं जा रहा. हम सब कह रहे हैं ना, कोरोना वायरस चला जाएगा तो हम स्कूल आएंगे, कोरोना वायरस कहीं नहीं जा रहा, वो यहीं पे रहेगा, हमारे एयर में घूमता रहेगा और हमें हर वक्त सावधान रहना होगा. ये देखो मेरे हाथ में क्या है, कभी नहीं निकलता मेरे हाथ से. दिस इज माय मास्क. I always be ready with this. Okay, so the mask with you. Keep social distancing, keep yourself clean, don't touch anything and everything. If you are by chance touching any outdoor object, please wash your hand. Okay, next point is, let's start with our skit as well. Say please and sorry also and thank you to your all age group people, be it elder, be it younger. Okay, and be responsible with money, last and not the least. आपको छोटे छोटे पॉकेट मनीज मिलते हैं, 10 रुपए 5 रुपए, उनके साथ कभी भी उनको इधर उधर मत रख दीजिए, उनको संभाल के रखिए, क्योंकि उसी से ही आपको चीजें मिल सकती हैं. So don't misutilize the money. So to bring upon the first skit, okay, to bring upon the first skit, I will present my dear mentor, Dimple ma'am and Ritu ma'am. They will enact as Chinky and Minky to show an enactment on good habits on junk food and healthy food. So over to you, ma'am.
Hi Chinky. Hi Minky. What are you having? I'm eating cake. I'm eating apple. Would you like to taste? No thanks. I'm eating healthy food. It's chocolate cake. It's very tasty. No Chinky, daily you are eating junk food only. Sometimes chips, sometimes biscuits, sometimes cake. I don't eat all day. Eat your health. I love cakes. Okay, fine. What should I eat for lunch today? Zarur kuch junk food hi bolungi. I'll tell Mama to make Maggi today. See, yesterday you had pizza in the lunch, na? No, I told Mama to make pizza, but she made palak ki sabzi, and I hate it. But then that is very healthy. Gee, it must be healthy, but it tastes so bad. मैं तो नहीं खा सकती. I'll eat Maggi. Okay. What happened, Chinky? मेरा पेट दुख रहा है. You want Maggi? नहीं, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. चला, आपका पिज़्ज़ा for you. Your favorite cheese pizza? मुझे कुछ नहीं खाना, मेरा पेट दुख रहा है. See, children, every time our teachers and our parents used to tell us that we should eat healthy food, but Chinky को तो healthy food पसंद ही नहीं है, and now see, she is having her stomach ache. What to do now, Chinky? घर जाना है. घर जाना, but have you learned your lesson? हाँ, I will not eat junk food anymore. Okay, good. Come, let's go home.
You just saw what happened, right? Just saw what happened with Chinky. She was having a stomach ache. Why? Because she is having a packed cake. Packed cake means Britannia का या फिर जो artificially preservatives दे के जो cakes बनाए जाते हैं, right? She was having that, and what was Minky was doing? She was having a fresh apple. Fresh apple food. So this was a healthy habit what Minky was doing. And whereas Chicky was suffering with stomachache because she was having junk food. And these foods are not good. Now I'm going to show you few points what we should always remember. I'm going to share my screen with you all so that you can see and learn that how we should take care ourselves by making our good habits. Can you all see my screen? Is my screen visible to all? Show me a thumbs up. Okay. So, when we play with pets, okay, so we should always wash our hand because those pets are moving here and there under the bed or under the sofa, or they're even going outside for a walk, for doing their natural duties, okay, that is the nature's call. Okay, so they are, please don't scribble on my screen, my dear children. Okay, great. So these habits are always good to keep our hands clean wherever we play with our pets or with anybody's pet in the park as well. We should always keep our hands clean before we eat anything or come back to home, okay? Or even if you're at home, before eating anything, having water also, you should always clean your hand. Then, how many goes to the washroom and do not flush or wash their hand? Show me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Please do not touch the screen. Okay, if you touch the screen and if the scribblings are done, then how will your friends and I will be able to tell you? Okay, so don't touch the screen, do not write anything on the screen. Okay, so show me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. How many go to the washroom and forgets to flush the toilet or wash hands? Does everybody wash their hand? Do you all wash your hand? Show me a thumbs up. Okay, wonderful. If you are doing it, it is a good practice because whenever we go to the loo is the washroom, we go to the toilet, we should always wash our hand with soap and we should flush the toilet for the next one to come. अगर कोई और नहीं आता है और आप ही जाते हैं तो आप ही को अच्छा नहीं लगेगा कि अरे वॉशरूम में गंदा ही छोड़ के आ गया, right? So we should always flush our washroom. Then when we sneeze, तो ऐसे छूटते रहते हैं, हाँ, ऐसे छींकते हैं, या we should cover our hand, we should cover our face with our hand and sneeze. और अगर नहीं समझ में आया, याद नहीं आया तो कुछ नहीं, we should do it with our elbow like this. We should not sneeze like this, otherwise वही कोरोना वायरस वाला केस क्या कहा जाता है. इसीलिए अगर आप किसी के सामने खड़े हैं और आप छींकते हैं तो उस रेडियस में वो पार्टिकल स्प्रेड होके सामने वाले के पास पहुंच जाएगा. अगर कोई और छींकता है और आप सामने खड़े हैं तो उसकी छींक आपके पास पहुंच जा सकती है. उसके छींक से वो पार्टिकल खतरनाक भी हो सकते हैं, हो सकता है उसमें कुछ वायरस हो, जैसे कि कोरोना वायरस घूम रहा है, राइट? सो वी शुड ऑलवेज बी केयरफुल बिफोर स्नीजिंग और कॉफिंग. एक तो सुनने में भी अच्छा नहीं लगता. दूसरी चीज, we should not do it like this. We should always place our hand and cover our face. Okay? Then, while playing, गिरना तो बनता है, which makes us strong. Again, अगर हम गिरते पड़ते हैं तो घबराने की बात नहीं है. It's good, no problem. Our body becomes strong. लेकिन उस कट जहां पे वो छिले हैं, गिरे हैं, आपका जो कट मार्क आया है, जो ब्रूज आया है, वहां always wash it with clean water and then put an ointment. always wash it with clean water, dab it with a cotton tab with water, and then put ointment on it or solution over it so that there is no infection. And don't touch the wound. Do not touch the wound because that wound is having infection which is contagious that can increase the wound. आपके उस घाव को बढ़ा सकता है, उसे छुइएगा मत, उसे हील होने दीजिए, अपने आप वो हील हो जाएगा. आप अच्छा खाना खाते हैं, आप अच्छे हैबिट्स रखते हैं, आपकी विल पावर स्ट्रांग है, वो ठीक हो जाएगा. Playing outside is also a good habit. And then eating, before eating anything, you should always wash hand. Whenever you come from outside, you should always wash hand. Then thereafter, dear children, please follow the health habits which just now what happened with ma'am. So I'm with Chinky. Chinky was having junk foods and she was having packed foods. So she was having a stomach cramping, that is pain in her stomach because of bad food. Okay? So you should always avoid having too much of sugary items. क्या आप इस पिरामिड को देख पा रहे हैं यहाँ पर? ये पिरामिड दिख रहा है आपको? इस पिरामिड में ये शुगर जो है वो आपको दिख रहा है, सबसे छोटा है और सबसे ऊपर है, लेकिन सबसे छोटे पोर्शन में है, राइट? छोटे पोर्शन मतलब सबसे कम, और सबसे बड़ा वाला रेंज कौन सा है? फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. Fruits and vegetables and starchy food. Starchy food means roti, chapati, bread. These are starchy food. Rice, okay? Then fruits and vegetables. Maximum eat fresh fruits and fresh vegetables always. ये नीचे वाला बेल्ट देखिए, बेस बना हुआ है फूड चेन का. ये फूड पिरामिड का बेस है, मतलब इसके बिना nothing, your health is waste. So vegetables खाना बहुत जरूरी है. चिंकी ने क्या कहा? पालक की सब्जी उसे अच्छी नहीं लगती, लेकिन पालक is what? Spinach. Spinach is full of iron. और किस किस को iron man पसंद है? Show me your hands. Raise up. Raise up your hands. Iron man किस किस को पसंद है? Yes, many of you like Iron Man. Very good. So Iron Man स्पिनच खाता है कि नहीं ये तो नहीं पता, बट हाँ उसको मैंने सैलेड खाते हुए देखा है. तो सैलेड में ये सब रहता है, ठीक है? So you should always have these food which has minerals, iron, calcium, and all nutrients which is healthy for you, right? So dairy items, protein items, starch items. What food you should avoid? See. You should avoid sugary cereals. Sugary cereals मतलब आप चोकोस खाते हो ना? Kellogg's चोकोस खाया है ना सबने? Right? Candies. These are too much of sugary item. तो ये avoid करिए. Then pastries, cake and pastries. Too much of cake and pastries also not healthy for you. Then boxed and packed foods like processed food. Processed मतलब जो packed किया हुआ है. Hot dog, processed meat, apple juice, chicken nugget, जो पैक्ड होती है उनको अवॉइड करिए because these are not healthy, they have preservatives in them. अच्छा, इन इमेजेस को बहुत ध्यान से देखिएगा because at the end I may ask you few questions, right? So this is the food chain which you should always remember and follow. Bread, rice, potatoes, starchy food, fruit and vegetables are the base of your food pyramid. क्या सबने अच्छे से देख लिया? Right? Great. So now I move on to some more good habits. Like right now what you are all doing, you are all watching me on your devices like laptop, mobile phones and tablets. देख रहे हैं ना? Right? तो ये कितनी देर देखना चाहिए और इसको कैसे हम अवॉइड करें? We will get you some tips for the same. Are you all ready to watch? Okay, so I welcome my two other mentors, respected Rashmi ma'am and Bhavna ma'am as Rinky and Pinky to enact for digital habits, good digital habits and healthy habits. Over to you.
I have finished with my online classes. Now I will watch cartoon and I will play video game. Mama keeps on clipping all the time. Don't play video game, don't watch cartoon. But मम्मा को क्या पता कितना मजा आता है इसमें. चलो मैं मेरा वीडियो गेम खेलती हूँ.
Da 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 da. था। ओ अकेले खेलने में तो बिल्कुल मजा नहीं आ रहा है, क्या करूं? रिंकी को बुलाती हूँ। रिंकी, रिंकी।
Oh, what happened, Pinky?
रिंकी, come now, we will play with my ball.
No, I'm enjoying my video game.
अरे बाबा काम में कितना मजा आ रहा है, देख तो ये कितने मजेदार है।
No, मेरा बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग गेम चल रहा है।
Oh, you and your boring video games. Are you sure you don't want to come with me?
Yes, join us, not disturb.
जा तो खेलती रहे अपने वीडियो गेम के साथ, मैं तो अपने बॉल के साथ खेल रही हूँ। yippee! ये तो रिंकी की आवाज है।
My eyes are paining.
रिंकी, क्या हुआ रिंकी? What happened?
My eyes are paining and it's
Look at her. She's saying that her eyes are paining, her head is paining.
my head is also paining.
Her head is also paining. Now, look how she is suffering. आपको पता है ये ऐसा क्यों हो रहा था? क्योंकि ये दिन भर वीडियो गेम्स खेलती थी। कभी वीडियो गेम्स खेलना तो कभी वीडियोस देखना। Do you also want to suffer like her?
Don't annoy me.
I have not annoyed you. Your video games and your mobile phone annoyed you. So, if you don't want to suffer like her, what you have to do? Go out, play something, have fun. आपके टीचर ने आपको क्या कहा था? आपको याद है? Do lots of physical activities and be a real champ by taking 15 days sports challenge. But रिंकी ने क्या किया? ना स्पोर्ट्स चैलेंज लिया और ना ही रियल चैंप बन पाई। और अब देखिए कैसे रो रही है, कैसे बोल रही है मेरा सर दुख रहा है, मेरी बॉडी दुख रही है, मेरी आईज जलन दे रही है।
Please help me, Pinky.
I will definitely help you, Rinky, but you have to promise me that you will not play video games like this all the time.
Yes, I just
Promise, Rinky.
Yes, I promise I'll play with
क्या
you
ये
outside.
क्या तुम मुझे प्रॉमिस करते हो कि कल तुम मेरे साथ रोज बाहर खेली होगी कल से?
Definitely, I'll come outside.
Okay, don't worry, Rinky. You will be well soon. ठीक है? Take care. I'll come back tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
So, my dear students, you just saw what happened with Rinky. She was having pain in her eyes. It was burning. It was having pain. Then she was having a headache. And because of this pain, she was very cranky. Cranky means she was crying. She was annoying. She didn't want to listen to anything. Her mood was off. Right? She was not feeling good. So these are the things we should avoid. Okay? Now quickly, with our mentors, we will discuss few points and thereafter we will quickly wind up the session. Okay? So are you all ready? Fine? Okay, I'm going to ask you a few questions like, should we wash our hands or should we not wash our hands before touching a pet? We should or we should not?
We should wash our hands.
We should wash our hands?
Yes.
Okay, I will also wash my hand. Okay, then, oh, I forgot to flush my washroom today. And okay, yes, I remember to wash my hand. Okay, no problem, never mind, no problem if I have forgotten the washroom. No. It's a bad habit? Okay, you all are saying it's a bad habit, right? That means we should always flush the toilet and come, right? Then, did I do a right thing?
No.
This is correct. Or sneezing with keeping your hand. See, if I did this, everybody was away from me and they got frightened. Do I have a coronavirus? No, I'm not. But this is also a bad habit to sneeze in front of anybody or cough. Okay, so avoid doing that. Fine. Then we should have too much of chocolates because I love chocolate. Right?
No.
Okay, I will avoid chocolates. But I love pasta and Maggie. I want to have it every day. No, we should have once a month or twice a month only. Only once or twice a month. So these are good habits we should always follow. We should have the cheese. That is good now. Cheese is good. In the bad thing. Packed cheese with burger, with pasta and all, with hot dog. No? Okay, I will not do that also. I will keep in mind. Will you all keep in mind? Not to have packed cheese and with hot dog and burger? Okay, thank you so much. I hope you all have learned your lesson today. Have you all learned your lesson today?
Yes.
Do you have learned your lesson today?
Yes.
Will you play outdoor as well?
Yes.
Yes.
Do not use too much of digital things as well. Keep your eyes and your health safe. Hope you all enjoyed the workshop today, dear children. Please follow whatever is being told to you in this workshop. We love you all. Take care. Swasth raho, mast raho. Bye.
Bye.
एक सेकेंड आप लोग फिर से